If you're wondering how to navigate the Rave app using a web browser, let's delve into the process. Rave is a platform that allows users to synchronize and enjoy digital content together, fostering a shared experience through chat functionality. To begin, launch the Rave app on your device and initiate a new session. Within the app interface, locate and tap on the plus icon to access additional features. Among the options presented, select Web. To integrate web browsing capabilities into your Rave session. Once the web browsing feature is activated, you can utilize the search bar to explore content from the internet, including websites such as Google. Rave facilitates a communal atmosphere where participants can engage in discussions while consuming various types of content together. Keep in mind that certain services and content may require authentication or subscription access, which should be set up accordingly. While Rave predominantly supports YouTube videos, it also accommodates other forms of embedded content, broadening the scope of shared experiences. Experiment with different types of content, including videos from alternative platforms like TikTok. To fully utilize the capabilities of the Rave app within your web browser. By following these steps, you can seamlessly integrate web browsing functionality into your Rave sessions, enhancing the collaborative viewing experience for all participants.